Weller WTBR1000 soldering robot tutorial on replacing solder wire. So if you've got a solder wire of a certain diameter and you want to change that or renew it, this is how it's done. Firstly, remove the hose from the one-touch fitting, lift up this gear tensioner, pull the wire straight out, then you can easily just roll the wire off from there, undo this, and there's your wire. To install wire onto the feeder, it's very simple. You just put that on there. A little bit difficult to do with one hand, but you put it on there and you tighten that, and then you just feed this wire through the tube until it comes out there, pushing it through like that, watching that it comes out the end. There we go. And then you grab that end, comes around here like this, and it goes in there. So once you've passed it down the silicone hose, you put it through the pneumatic fitting, you push this limit switch down and out the way, feed the wire into that cone until it touches the gears, and then you lift this lever and you push it down until the wire comes out the end, and you put that back